In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in and make the most out of LinkedIn's powerful job posting feature. To start, open up your browser and head over to linkedin.com. If you aren't logged in yet, go ahead and sign in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account by sending a code to your phone, so be sure to have your device handy to expedite this step. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the home page. From here, look towards the top of the page and locate the jobs icon. This section is your go-to place for everything job-related, from seeking opportunities to posting new positions. Now that you're in the jobs section, focus your attention on the left side of your screen. You'll see an option to post a free job. Click this button and you'll be taken to a new page where you can specify the job details. Here, the first thing you'll want to do is choose the job you're hiring for by selecting from a drop-down menu. This selection helps categorize your job post, making it easier for potential candidates to find. After you've made your selection, the next step is crucial. Click on the Start with a Job Description option. This will serve as the foundation for your job post, helping you convey exactly what you're looking for in a candidate. Be sure to fill out all the required details carefully, making sure everything is complete and accurate. Once you've done that, go ahead and hit Continue to move on to the next stage where you'll arrange your job settings. These settings might include specifics like job type, location, and salary. Take your time to carefully review each option and click Continue once you've configured your desired settings. Next, you'll arrive at the stage for specifying qualifications. This is where you'll outline the skills, experience, and education level you're seeking in a candidate. Clearly defining these elements will attract well-suited candidates to your posting. Once you've provided all necessary information, LinkedIn will prompt you to confirm your email address. After the email is verified, you'll be given a chance to review your job post. Go over everything meticulously to ensure it accurately represents the position and effectively attracts the right talent. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and publish your job listing to share it with your LinkedIn network, thus widening your search for suitable candidates. Finally, to keep an eye on how your job post is performing, you can head back to the jobs homepage and select Manage Job Posts. Here, you can view and manage your listings, make any necessary adjustments, or simply see how well your post is doing at any given time. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to post a job on LinkedIn efficiently.